Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify retiming settings for crisp motion in Resolve, complete guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the edit page to work on your timeline. Select the clip you want to verify. Right-click on the clip and choose Clip Attributes. Locate the Retime and Scaling section in the window that appears. Check the Retime Process drop-down menu. Ensure it is set to optical flow for smooth motion. Review the retime scale settings next. Adjust the speed settings if necessary, maintaining consistent playback. Next, confirm the motion estimation is set to enhanced better for high-quality results. Play back the clip to observe its motion. If it appears choppy, return to the retime settings for further adjustments. Experiment with the retime process options like frame blending for different effects. To add additional keyframes, right-click on the clip and select Retime Controls. Position the playhead where you want, click the diamond icon to create a keyframe at that point. Adjust the speed settings to your liking at each keyframe. Continue this process until you achieve your desired motion effect. Monitor the clip playback regularly to ensure smooth transitions. Once satisfied, proceed to render your project. Check the final output for crisp motion before finishing up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.